If you're seeing a Tinkercad error when importing a file, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common causes and the fastest fixes step by step. This problem usually happens because of the file format, file size, mesh errors, browser issues, or even your network connection. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your file into Tinkercad without wasting time guessing. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. First, let's check the file format and size. Tinkercad only accepts STL, OBJ, and SVG files. So if you're trying to upload a step file, an F3D file, or even a regular image like a JPEG or PNG, Tinkercad will reject it. Make sure your file is in one of the supported formats before you try importing again. Also, keep in mind that the maximum file size is 25 megabytes. If your file is larger than that, the upload may time out or throw an error. If that happens, you can reduce the polygon count using a tool like Mesh Mixer or an online STL reducer before bringing it back into Tinkercad. Now, if you're importing an SVG file, the issue is often complexity. A lot of people run into the message an error occurred because the SVG has too many nodes or too much detail. Tinkercad's Cloud Engine can struggle with heavy paths, so open the file in Inkscape or Illustrator and use the Simplify tool to reduce the number of points. Also, make sure all text and shapes are converted to paths. Tinkercad cannot properly read live text or grouped objects the same way a design app can. While you're there, remove gradients, blurs, and overlapping lines. The best SVG imports are clean, flat, and solid. If needed, use a union or weld tool so the design becomes one complete shape instead of several disconnected pieces. Next, let's fix 3D mesh errors for STL or OBJ files. If the model has holes, broken faces, or self-intersections, Tinkercad may not import it at all. In that case, the file needs repair. You can run it through Microsoft 3D Builder or Netfabb to make the mesh watertight, which means the model is sealed and manifold. That one step solves a huge number of import problems. Also, check the model size. If the dimensions are massive, like a 2000mm object, it may be too large for the workplane or may appear to fail during import. In the import window, try lowering the scale from 100% to 10% or even 1%, then import again. If the file is correct but the problem still continues, the issue may be your browser. Start by turning on hardware acceleration in Chrome. Go to Chrome Settings, open System, and make sure Use Hardware Acceleration when available is switched on. This can improve performance during upload or processing. After that, clear your cache. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete, then clear cookies and cached images for the last 24 hours so Tinkercad can load a fresh session. If that doesn't work, try Incognito mode by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N. If the file imports properly there, then one of your extensions like an ad blocker may be interfering with the upload. Finally, let's look at network stability. If you are using a VPN or proxy, disable it before uploading. Large files can fail when the connection is routed through extra filters or timeout restrictions. You can also flush your DNS to refresh your network path. On Windows, open Command Prompt and type ipconfig/flush DNS, then press Enter. That helps clean up connection issues that may be interfering with the upload. So to recap, if Tinkercad shows an import error, check the file type and size first, simplify SVGs, repair broken 3D meshes, test your browser settings, and remove VPN or network issues if needed. Follow those steps and you'll fix most import problems quickly. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more Tinkercad tips, design tutorials, and easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.